fill yourself with love. 7 Chakras, Guided Meditation, Day 12. Please make yourself comfortable. Extend your back. We start meditation practice. Relax your body. Let go of all thoughts and worries of the day. You are here and now. Put your hands on your knees, palms facing the sky. Close your eyes and follow me. And now take a deep breath and deep exhale. Direct your attention to the area of the heart, to the area of the Anahata chakra. Try to feel the warmth in your heart. This is the energy of love. And now the energy of love begins to spread throughout your body. The energy of love begins to fill your chest. Abdomen, lower abdomen, pelvis, genitals, crotch, legs, knees, feet. Everything is filled with warmth. You give love to your entire body, from the toes to the crown of your head. We direct our attention to the heart area again and the energy of love begins to fill our lungs. Throat, neck, head, eyes, brain, crown of the head, our whole body is filled with the energy of love. All 7 chakras of the body, from Muladhara to Sahasrara, are filled with love. Give love to your body, heal yourself. The energy of love penetrates every cell of your body. Continue to be filled with the energy of love. My dear friend, the energy of love is the strongest and most pleasant energy of all on the planet Earth. We and our planet were created by the Creator out of love. Everything is love. Let yourself feel and give love as often as possible, and remember, the universe loves you.